How to change Instagram video thumbnail. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. When you upload a video in Instagram, Instagram will automatically pick the thumbnail for your video. However, you can always go ahead and easily change the cover thumbnail for your video if you want. In order to change, open the Instagram application on your device and go to your profile. Tap on the plus icon you see there and go ahead and create a post. Ever since Instagram has introduced Reels, all the videos you post will be posted as Reels and not as regular videos. Now that you have selected the video, you will see the option for edit cover here. Tap on that and now select the part of the video you want as thumbnail. You can also add picture from your camera roll. Once done, tap on done and then on the share button, and this is how you can change Instagram video thumbnail. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.